Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We've woken up with our park up and we've left Little Ferry and we are headed to, what's it called, the Seaboard Centre in Balintore, Tain. So we're headed to where they offer a cafe, which is not open today, showers and toilet facilities. I think we're getting a shower, £1 for 10 minutes.
The best on the NC500 apparently.
Best on the NC500 apparently. Well, this is very exciting for us as we don't have proper shower facilities and it is Baltically cold this morning. Showers it is. They're not the easiest thing to find on the road, showers, especially the further north we've got.
Yeah, definitely.
When we started off this trip, there was kind of like, oh, a shower, and as we've got further north, it's like less of a shower.
There should be a website or an app where campsites that allow you to use their showers and toilets can advertise that as a service. Because you just don't want to ring up every single campsite, do you? Because some of them do in Scotland.
Yeah.
But you don't want to be the one ringing up every single campsite. Oh, can I come and use your showers? Do you know what I mean? Whereas if there was someone, maybe that's something we could put together.
Yeah, it's a good idea. What do you think? Should there be a website or app that promotes all places?
Maybe we could just ring up loads of campsites in Scotland and just put together a guide saying, these campsites will allow you to use their facilities.
Yeah, and leisure centres would be quite good, things like that.
We could just
it's an idea.
Just ring up to find that information.
No, you couldn't you? Good idea, Kez. We'll have a look into that.
Wow, they totally dissed you.
A little bit camera shy, mate.
Totally dissed you.
Frank. Just a little camera piece. How did you find last night's park up? Oh, you're missing it already. Just looking out the window. You excited for today's adventures, Frank? You're a little bit camera shy this morning. Driving through Scotland this time of year and seeing all the different colours is stunning. We got to our shower stop and was greeted with this cheeky view. Off to test the showers. So we just finished up our shower experience, didn't we?
We certainly did.
That was very nice, wasn't it, Kez?
It's wonderful.
Truck up here, back in a sec. Yeah, showers were lovely, weren't they?
Really, really nice.
Yeah, go into the side of the Seaboard community hall and then you go in the little side door, there's a toilet that's big enough and has disabled access, and the same with the shower on the other side. Toilet's free to use, shower £1 for 10 minutes, 10 golden minutes of showering. Probably the longest shower, I think.
Yeah, really warm as well.
Yeah, really warm, loads of space, like stuff to hang your stuff up on. That was like a peregrine falcon that just flew in front of the car.
And 20p for the hairdryer.
Oh yeah.
So really, really good.
20p for the hairdryer, and then there was a washing machine and tumble dryer, which we didn't think to use before we used the showers, but I think that was like £1 for 20 minutes.
Yeah, I think so.
But yeah, great place to go and have a shower if you're on your route around Scotland. Definitely go and check it out. It's lovely and clean. Yes, Kez?
Another thing I'd say though is it's only 5 minutes off the sort of NC500 path, but it's not somewhere that you'd necessarily visit. So I think it's really good to sort of, more people use these facilities because all of the money goes back to that little village.
Yeah.
And you'll see when you visit, there's like little monuments. They're obviously trying to draw people to that area.
But for now, we are headed to the Falls of Shin. In the Falls of Shin! Don't be a din, we're off to the Falls of Shin. Yeah. Don't know if I say it properly, but that's Bonar Bridge behind us. But yeah, off to the Falls of Shin. They've got a certain time of year, you can see the salmon jumping upstream. I think we're in completely wrong time of year for that. But what we have seen is it's cool to park here overnight. Seems like they've got some facilities, water, bins. Someone even said about electricity where we read, but I don't know how that's going to work. But yeah, we are off to the Falls of Shin. Let's see how this one goes. So we're at the Falls of Shin, aren't we, babes? Yeah, lovely car park. Well, we left Little Ferry, went to the showers at the Seaboard Community Centre hall thing, Went to Lidl in Tain, and then we, what was it, like 45 minutes, half an hour, to the Falls of Fallock.
Oh, yeah, 31 minutes.
Falls of Shin, sorry, Falls of Shin, Jesus. But yeah, it's a lovely car park. I always find that weird to say. It's a lovely car park. But yeah, they've got portaloos there. Seems like the toilets in the coffee shop closed.
Permanently closed.
Oh, permanently closed.
Well,
but,
I believe so. It's got all of the white paint up on the windows.
But yeah, lovely car park. There's a space for overnight parkers. There are electric charge points here for motorhomes. I think what was it? £5 for an hour.
Yeah. 12 for 3, 17 for 6, and 20 for 24.
There you go.
Chemical waste point. That's also paid. I didn't see how much that was actually.
But we'll pop that up over this bit, how much that costs. And then there's, I think there's drinking water and sort of non-drinking water for your grey water or your showering water. Yeah, just a really nice big car park we're allowed to be in, so that makes us happy. What is a play park, like area to eat your food.
Yeah, sheltered areas for food as well, isn't there?
If you're watching this and you've got an electric car, you can charge that up here, and electric e-bike chargers here as well. That's pretty cool. But we're taking a walk through the woods, haven't we?
Yeah.
Found ourselves on one of these, I think, logging route things. These are always quite nice because no one's around and they're massive to walk on. But we left the car park and just sort of, what did we follow, the blue route or the yellow route?
We started on the yellow route, didn't we? Then I think it joined up to the blue route, and now we've gone off route.
Yeah, we're not on a route. But yeah, we're just having a wander through the woods. It's just fantastic. Like us again, if someone dropped you in, we didn't know where we were, we'd feel like we're in the middle of nowhere, but car park's literally 10 minutes sort of over there somewhere.
It's interesting as well, if anyone's from round here or from Scotland, well, here, that came a bit close, or from Scotland, is what's the deal here? Because it looks like it's all been sort of set up as a real destination point, and then kind of, not abandoned, but kind of abandoned because the visitor centre's all closed down. But as you walk into the visitor centre, they've got all details about the Falls of Shin. But was this meant to be something that it never became? I don't know.
From the car park, you can go and watch salmon jump. I weirdly, don't know why, I did no research, but thought it was just May that you'd see these little salmon jumping upstream. So we just found out that walking logging routes don't always mean it's a circular walk. And we were almost going to get to our main road, so we've headed back on ourselves. Back up into the forest. Frank just showing he doesn't play by the rules. Path's not good enough for him anymore. Come on, dude. Come on, mate. That's it. Off we go. Yeah, it's like the end of the Hulk, watching you two walk away. Come on. I think that's the thing though, isn't it, here? It's just everywhere we've been, it's been a lovely, peaceful place, isn't it?
Oh, it really is. So peaceful.
I don't think the filming can always do it justice, but just to be surrounded by this much nature is blinking incredible. Ooh, look at this.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's cool.
Yeah, it's where the Knights of the Round Table used to come. Oh, you're sacrificing yourself, Frank. Little Frank Aslan. Come on, buddy. I think, oh yeah, no, you do get sacrificed, didn't you, Aslan? And that's an excellent thing about here in Scotland, isn't it, Kez? Is a lot of these park ups and car parks have these guided walks, which you can just pick up. Of course, they're green, a yellow and a blue here.
Yeah. All
of different sort of hardness and time and whatnot. But yeah, if you're not one for planning walks, 9 times out of 10 there's usually one planned for you.
Which is always nice.
Yeah. Cheers, Scotland. So we finished the Riverside walk, which was quite pleasant, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was lovely. 1k, I think it was. Just a little.
Yeah, and then as we got to the end, close to the van, we were like, oh, should we go on another one? And then the heavens opened up, so we ducked in the van. And now the sun is shining once again. Very sporadic weather. So we're hitting the yellow trail, aren't we? So, oh, up here? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's hit the road. So far, so good with the yellow path. We're still on the yellow path, aren't we?
Yep, yellow and green path.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Look at these
it's
weird
all
little
good.
sculptures and games all around. It's quite cool. But so far, so good. The yellow path is pretty awesome. This one's like this, all gravelled. Someone thinks it's a game for him. Oh no. Oh! Yeah, look, proof. Should we send you through? Frankles, come here. Where's my Frank? Hey! I'm really finished this little yellow route review. It's, this is the best route, I think, of all 3 walks that we've done. It's been very nice. Lots of picnic benches on this one and some sort of like fun games, exercises and agility things. Like tunnels.
Go this way.
Oh, sunshine. Let's go.
This is so nice.
So nice. The sun is shining again. And the view up here is amazing. Yeah, quite quiet, isn't it, at the moment?
Yeah. Funny, isn't it, how every like van life channel seems to have a thing, whether it's like talking about the weather or whether it's like a habit one of them has. For us, it's definitely about how quiet somewhere is and how few people there are. I think there's probably definitely a consistency over our videos of us. You just feel, when it's just us on our own, you feel like you're on a proper adventure, like you're discovering
in the middle
somewhere.
of nowhere.
Yeah, so it's not just we're antisocial. Do you know what I mean? And also with Frank, he, gets anxious around people. So it's just, when it's just us, Frank can relax. It's,
I guess it's like the other night, isn't it? Or a couple of times where we stayed beach park up with the castle and Knockin' Crag, and we could just hear all the deer, and there's like no one else making any noise. It's just us and like nature surrounding us. It is marvellous.
It really is, isn't it?
And yeah, the view that we can see whilst we're walking is just, it's incredible here, isn't it?
Oh, it really is. It's
absolutely.
Just, nature should be enjoyed on your own as well, I think, because it's like you just go. Do you know what I mean? You don't get that if there's lots of other people around.
No.
It's,
And on this walk we've seen 2 groups of people.
Yeah.
And that's 2 more groups than we've seen the whole other time we've been here. It is crazy, it isn't busier here.
It really is. I can't get my head around why it isn't busier. I don't know, maybe there's just not residential areas nearby. So there's not, as many daily visitors.
Yeah, or there's just so many waterfalls and things like this here.
So many beautiful things to see and stuff.
Yeah. No, Frank. We headed down to the Falls of Shin, which is literally next to the car park, waiting to see the leaping salmon. That was massive! So that's it for this episode.
I was going to say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
So this brings us to the end of this episode, I think.
Yep.
We're going to leave you in these wonderful woods, and we hope you've enjoyed what we've shared so far of our Scotland trip. If you haven't, hit that notification bell and you will be the first to know when a video goes live.
Yeah. Until next time, catch you on the flip side. Bye for now, folks.